Can you hear that? I've never been able to do that before. Just pushing in and out my abdomen. It's making all this internal noise. God, I'm the human frog. Sit here and do that all day.